Sensational is to attraction as blank. So we have to find a relationship in this analogy and see which of our answer options share this relationship. So if I call the first word A and the second word B, and I just think about the relationship between sensational and attraction, I could say that sensational leads to attraction, it creates attraction, but it doesn't always do this, it usually does. So as the analogy, I'm going to write A normally leads to B. So now we're going to go through the answer options and see which of the first words normally leads to the second word. So the first option is endearing is to liking. And endearing means it inspires affection, fondness, and likability. So this really does fit. If you are endearing to someone, normally you're going to like them more. So we'll leave it blank. The second option, repulsive, is to ignoring. And I don't believe this fits the analogy, as when something's repulsive, normally you don't ignore it. You actually focus on it and you hate on it. You give it more attention, which is the opposite of ignoring, so we'll cross it out. The third option is academy is to officer. And does an academy normally lead to officers? Well, if it's an academy for officers, maybe. But in most academies, this isn't the case. So we're going to cross it out. The fourth option, rudimentary, is to ascend. And rudimentary means it's basic and simple. And ascend means you go up. It's raising or climbing. And these tend not to go together. If you're staying at a basic level, you're probably not going to be rising that high. So I'm going to cross this option out. And the last option, institutional, is to criticism. Does institutional normally lead to criticism? It sometimes does, hopefully not that often, but it's definitely not the point of an institution. Say a school, it isn't designed to create criticism. So we're going to cross this option out. And if we look, we've already got one answer option not crossed out. Endearing is to liking, so it will be our final answer.